Welcome to homework.
Okay, so for problem 2, in part A, we're given the function that is fn plus 1, which is equal to -2 times fn. So if we observe the if we observe the relation here, we can conclude that fn plus 1 divided by fn is -2. So that this is a geometric sequence. So we can excuse me. So we can just write down the formula for this function. That is 3 times -2 to the power of n. So we can calculate f0 directly, which is 3, and f1, which is -6, and f2, which is 12, and f3, which is -24, and f4 is 48, and f5 should be -96. Okay, and for part B, now f1 we can calculate directly. That is 3 times 3 plus 7, which is 16. Now f2 is 3 times 16 plus 7. This should be 55. Now f3, this should be 3 times 55 plus 7, which is 172. And f4, now we have 3 times 172 plus 7, which is 523. Okay, the last one, f5, we have 3 times 523 plus 7, which is you can do this by calculator because it's kind of large, but my solution is 1576. Okay, part C. So the first thing, f1, we have is 3 squared minus 2 times 3 minus 2, and this should be 1. And f2 is 1 minus 2 minus 2. So this will be -3. Now f3, what we have here is 9 plus 6 minus 2. So this will be 13. Now f4, by our definition, should be 169 minus 26 minus 2, which is 141. So 169 comes from the square of 13, and 26 is the twice of 13, and minus 2, so we have 141. And the last one, f5, this should be 141 squared minus 2 times 141 minus 2, and the answer is 19597. Okay, now for part D, our f1 will just be 3 to the power of 1, so it's 3. Now f2 will be again 3 to the power of 1, so that's 3, and the same to the rest of the function values. f3, f4, and f5, they are all equal to 3. So we're done.